Friends, good evening. Today I am going to tell you new strategy. This is for experienced trader and Fibonacci tool has been used by institutional trader like FII, DII, pension fund or mutual fund for selling their or buying their stakes. This can be used by intraday traders also, or this is good in swing trading also. I For any queries, please you can contact me. The mail ID, mobile and WhatsApp number I have mentioned. Fibonacci trend line strategy. The time frame for the trade is 15 minutes ideally for intraday. You can use in 30 minutes also. Trade setup the same I told. Market should be in bull or bear. Your stock should be highly liquid and as per stock selection criteria. Prefer trading time 9:20 to 11:30, 1:45 p.m. 1:45 p.m. to 2:45 or 1:40 p.m. to 2:45 p.m. This strategy should be avoided in range bound or sideways market. So please avoid between 11:30 to 1:40 because market do not have much more momentum. To use Fibonacci retracement, we need to know swing high and swing low. Let me explain what is swing high and swing low. Swing high is a candlestick with at least two lower highs on the both the left and right side of itself, and swing low is a candlestick with at least two higher lows on the both the left and right itself. A quick remember for this: if it is a uptrend, you want to start the swing low and drag Fibonacci level all the way up swing high. If it is a downtrend, you start the swing high and draw your cursor the way down to swing low. I will show you in one stock so you can see that. Trading for Fibonacci trend line strategy, you have to use two things only. You don't require any indicator, you have to use only Fibonacci and trend line only. Fibonacci retracement I will show you. We should know where to apply Fibonacci. You will need to place either on the swing high oblique swing low. A swing high is a candlestick with at least two lower highs on the both on the left and right itself. A swing low is a candlestick with at least higher lows on the both left and right of itself. Trend line. This trading strategy is used any stock. We can use on 1 hour, 4 hour or 1 day or 15 minutes. This trend line strategy that will take the advantage of retracement on the current trend. So trader can identify Fibonacci retracement level as a support and resistance. Because of the levels are watched by many traders, which is why this strategy could be a difference maker to trading success. First, you have to find out whether a stock is uptrend or downtrend. Second, you have to draw the trend line. So you have to use two peaks or two throws to draw the trend line. Trend line is a key component for trading. I always recommend using them you can. This strategy trend line, the Fibonacci to give you a great entry point in trending market. So if trend break between and keeps going and below past 50, 61.8, 78.6% level, then the trend is obviously broken and you need to look else because a trade this strategy would be invalidated that time. So I will show you can go through. Third thing, draw Fibonacci from swing low to swing high if market is trending up. So you can draw Fibonacci retracement tool. I will show you on the investing. If you are using any other software, it is available, you can use it. Place it from swing low to swing high. Remember this is an uptrend, so we started swing low 100% and place the second 0% at swing high. Wait for price to level to hit the trend line. So we must have patience, we have to wait. The price should hit the trend line. The rule for this, you need to pay attention because we need to price hit the trend line and go back in the direction of trend. If price breaks the trend and keep going below past the 50%, 61% and 76, then their trend is obviously broken. So you need to look elsewhere because this trade is a thing strategy would be invalid. Then you have to skip the trade. Price must hit the trend line between 38.2% and 61.8. So your price must hit the trend line between these two levels. So the price retraced all the way back and tested 38.2, mark a quite while before hitting the trend line and continuing to go upside. Once the price hit in our trend line that withdrew, we see that this was between 38.2 to 61.8. Then the trade is one stop closer being triggered. So we want to capitalize our retracement. Entry point. What is entry point? So everything is link up to make up great profit on retracement. What is last step to make trade? In buy trade, make your entry. You will wait for the price to close either 38 or 50% in line, and in sell order entry to make your entry, you will wait for the price to close below 38.2 or 50%. Note, if the price hit our trend in between 50 to 60%, then there would wait candle to close 50% line the enter the trade. The only reason weighted candle close about 38.3 Fibonacci line was because it was between 38.2 to 50%. This process should not take very long as our trend should continue upwards because the previous support with trend line. Stop loss, your stop loss can vary based on your chart showing. So look past resistance support. So I will again, in summary, I am going to explain you how you have to do Fibonacci and trend line. Find a trending stock, future options or commodity, then draw a trend line, then third, draw a Fibonacci, swing low to high. If the market is up, wait for price level to hit the trend line. Price must hit between 38.2 and 61.8 entry point in a buy order. To make your entry, we will wait price to close above either 38.2 or 50% line in sell trade order. To make your entry, you will wait for price close below either 38.2 or 50% line. This is the way. This is basically new beginners should not use this strategy. They should wait and let be them experienced trader, then they can use. So but anyhow they have to learn, they should know this. So that is why I am giving this strategy, I am showing this strategy. Now this is a Arvindo Pharma. You see, this is a stock, and you can see here I taken Arvindo Pharma on 15 minutes time frame. Then here I go in trend line. Now you see, I seen this is one low, this is another low, and I draw one trend line. You see that? Okay. Now I am going to draw inner trend line. This is outer trend line, then this is inner trend line. You see, this is one more trend line. Okay, so this is showing it is uptrend. So this first trend line is main trend line. This you can say as a outer, this is inner trend line. Okay, so now I am going to use Fibonacci. You see, this is Fibonacci. I am going to use Fibonacci retracement, and I will draw from here to this level. You see, I draw, sorry, let me say here. Okay, now I will make this bigger picture. You see, so this you see, the price is hitting. You see, I will go, the price should hit between 38.2 and 61.8. You see, the price has hit between 38 to 61. You see, and this is the trend line. So between these level, you see, so we can draw so many trend line. So you see that the price has hit here. If I go this level, so 0.236 below, the price has again hit it, and you see how the stock is going up. So this stock has moved from 0.63 to 709. So before, I will recommend you go my video. I already covered Fibonacci detail, so Fibonacci is already there. So before using this strategy, you can go through my Fibonacci video, so that is going to help you a lot. I will again tell you this Fibonacci can be used by swing trader. This has been used, this is a tool has been used by institutional trader like FII, DII, pension fund, mutual fund. This is for especially for huge buying and selling, but this can be used for swing trading. This can be used in intraday trading also. So you can make a practice, but you should go my video. I already share a video how to use Fibonacci in trading, so kindly go through so you have a clear cut concept. So before going this strategy, so you must see my video Fibonacci indicator, so that will really help you. I have given you basic concept to use, so you can use Fibonacci and trend line. On the base of that you can have a trade. So this is the summary. So you see a summary, you have to practice this. You should know all the strategies, and whatever you comfortable you can go ahead with that. I will not say you use this strategy or that strategy. Even if anyone is not interested to use so many indicators or any special thing, he can use price action trading. My price action trading 1 and price action trading 2 video is very logical, and it is not using any indicator. You just by use of candles between 9:15 a.m. to 9:45, if you enter right, your stock selection is right, you can get 10 to 15 30% profit in 1 hour a time. But you must aware of all detail of stock market, all world class strategies, and please study much or more much about Fibonacci. You can go and find in the Google, you get a lot of documents. Friends, I request you to share these videos to your friends who want to be in a stock market, who is doing swing trading, or who are investing in a stock market. Please tell them to subscribe and press bell icon. I may go after another training or education. I will use educational development program. I will cover some of good strategies on the options. I am not going to cover all, but which are really profitable, I will share you. Please, if you have any query, any concern, or any suggestion, you are always welcome. Please take a training from certified NSE certified institutions or NSE certified trainer. Do not take trainings or skill transfer from who are not qualified, who has just learned from YouTube or any video and become instructor. This is my advice to you. Be careful. They might be getting profit because of their practice, but they cannot make your concept in stock market to sustain in long term. Please remember. Thank you. I will let you know some more good strategies. I will let you know gain fan also. It is also a very good strategy. I will let you know how to draw. Thanks friends. Have a nice evening. Thanks a lot.